Hi friends, how are you all? Once again welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see Burlap craft. Burlap craft involves the use of burlap fabric, a coarse woven material made from jute or hemp, to create decorative, rustic or functional handmade items. Known for its natural earthy texture and neutral color, burlap adds a warm, vintage charm to various DIY projects. It is popular in farmhouse-style decor, eco-friendly crafts, and seasonal decorations due to its organic look and versatile nature. Working with burlap requires basic tools like scissors, hot glue, and thread, and it can be easily paired with lace, ribbons, buttons, wood, and other natural elements. While the edges tend to fray, this quality is often embraced in designs to enhance the rustic aesthetic. Burlap crafts are appreciated for their simplicity, affordability, and the ability to personalize them for events, gifts, and home embellishments. Burlap fabric, also known as Hessian in some parts of the world, in a coarse, loosely woven fabric, traditionally made from jute or hemp fabrics. It has a distinctive rustic charm and a natural earthy texture that has made it a favorite among artisans. The fibers of burlap are strong and durable, yet flexible enough to be manipulated into a wide range of shapes and forms, which makes it particularly well suited for crafting. This fabric is typically tan or brown in color, though it can be dyed easily to suit different aesthetic needs. Its raw and organic appearance provides a natural backdrop that enhances both simple and intricate designs. Crafters often choose burlap not only for its look but also for its tactile qualities. It has a slightly rough texture that adds dimension and character to any project. Burlap is also eco-friendly, being made from plant-based fibers, which makes it an ideal choice for those who are environmentally conscious. It is biodegradable, renewable, and generally requires fewer chemicals in the production process compared to synthetic materials. This sustainability factor adds to its appeal in the growing trend of green crafting and sustainable home decor. The fabric holds its shape well, especially when used with stiffer versions or when treated with fabric stiffeners. Its open wave allows for breathability and a light, airy feel in finished pieces, but this same quality also means it can fray easily. For this reason, edges are often hemmed, glued, or sealed to prevent unraveling. Despite its roughness, burlap can be sewn by hand or machine, and it can also be glued, painted, stenciled, embroidered, or adorned with other materials such as lace, ribbon, or beads. So guys, I really hope that you love this craft. If you do it your home, please let me know in comment section how it will look. So thanks for watching.